Hey guys, how are you doing? It's Crypto Insight UK here, bringing you back another YouTube video. I'm going to start a little mini series of daily roundups. I'm just going to come on in the morning, say what's going on, say if there's anything that I really think that we need to notice, and that's about it really. Just a little short, sharp daily video for you guys. So we're just going to quickly look at the crypto market as a whole today. We've reclaimed that $1 trillion market cap. If my internet will load, let's have a little look. Cool, we're back at a trillion. Obviously, as you can see, in my opinion, it's still a decent time to be accumulating. I've been saying this all the time we've been at the bottom. It's all about risk to reward. I'm not going to get into that too much because not too much has been updated there, not too much has changed. So let's not get distracted by a little short-term pump. We've got a lot coming up this week that I'm going to talk about, and I'm just going to get into a few of the charts. I want to just show you first a small little token that I've had my eye on. I did tip it 2 weeks ago in my newsletter, but I'm going to show it to you guys now. And the ticker is WTK, and the token is actually WADSPay. It's obviously down the day. It's a micro cap. It's really small market cap. Tiny little thing. So why am I tipping this? Well, I'll get Twitter open. They actually signed a deal with Congo, and they're helping Congo tokenize their potash and phosphate and iron ore to be able to be mined out of the ground. I can't actually see this deal right now. Here it is. WASPay is delighted to announce a strategic partnership with FIGA, an enterprise in the Republic of Congo. Together we will tokenize the rights of reserves of potash, phosphate and iron ore to be extracted over the next 25 years. So I thought that was extremely interesting. Obviously do some due diligence on this, guys. Don't just jump in where I'm saying. It's a very liquid token, it's a very small market cap, but I have taken a small position, guys. Like I'm talking 0.3% of my net worth, less probably. Just trying to work it out, yeah, less than that. So be wary, but maybe something to check out. I also did look into them a long time ago because they have links with Algorand and potentially helping with the Qatar 2022 World Cup. And since then their website has actually got a lot better. So maybe something to look for here, guys, but also maybe not. Go and do some due diligence and let me know what you think in the comments, because I'd love to know if anyone knows any more about this team. As I said, I just noticed a few interesting things. I thought, look, I'm going to take a punt. I don't have the time to be researching these full time, but they're definitely something that's on my radar, and I've put a little bit of my portfolio in there. So there's that, and that's it for the crypto for coin market cap this morning. In terms of short-term trades, I have had a few short-term trades on. This is XRP's chart on the hourly. I actually entered into a leverage position just down here because I thought this looked a bit like Wyckoff accumulation with the spring, and it looks so far to be playing out pretty well. I did take profit up here, and then for some reason, like an idiot, I had a stop loss in. I brought my stop loss up, trailing stop loss up to about 30, just below this wick here. And then we had a green pump this morning and I got back in, and obviously now we're going back to correct. So this is something to take from this video, guys. If nothing else, don't just rush into a trade when you've done well in a trade, because that's going to wipe out like 10-15% of my profits just on that, because I was trying to get greedy here if it does wick down to this line. So that's my stop loss right now. Also looking at Ethereum, specifically on the hourly. Like Ethereum actually looks pretty bullish, guys. I mean, so does XRP. We've got like the RSIs have got space to move up. The RSI and XRP, it looks like they're all about to break out, okay? But the only thing that I'm really watching for, and the reason I've moved my trailing stop loss up so tight onto XRP, and my dad actually has a trade on Bitcoin. Bitcoin looks really bullish, but the reason I've moved my stop losses up is just because of the ETH merge. It's either tomorrow, the next day, or the day after, and I just want people to be aware that like anything could happen there. We could sell off into it, and that worries me in terms of leverage positions. We could get a lot of volatility, so keep your stop loss tight if you're trading. And other than that, guys, I don't want to make this video too long. Bitcoin looks nice. It's broken out of its range as low. I'll put it on the daily so we can see it a bit better. It's broken out of its recent range, has rejected the moving averages on the daily, but it's come back. It's back testing this level now of support. If it holds this, we could really be on for another push here, guys. To be honest with you, I'll be looking at least up towards 26,000, which is the bottom of this previous range here, this wick, or if not, attacking this moving average up here. So that's what I've got my eye on. That's what I'm trading at the minute. That's what I've been watching. And one other thing for those of you who follow, I am watching oil. I think that oil will come another leg down. We're looking at this previous high here, the 80-ish region, at least, again, to back test that. Didn't quite make it there, as you can see. So I think there's a gap there we can fill. And that's everything for this morning's update. Last little thing, actually, sorry, is there's a lot happening this week. So go and follow me over there on Twitter because I get updates like this out quite a lot. I've got a few little updates that I'm going to share later on today in a different YouTube video. I'm really going to try and be more active on YouTube for you guys. So there's a lot happening this week. CPI on Tuesday, and then PPI and core CPI on Wednesday. So keep your eye on the charts, guys. And with that, it's peace up, A-Town down from me. And yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, and share it with a friend if you enjoyed. Peace.